Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine on OPPO Find X2 Lite into a custom one. So you have to start with opening your internet browser, and now you have to go to your search engine website, and for this example I will use yep.com. And now you have to search something using this search engine. And now if you go to settings and click on search engine, you should have yep.com in recently visited, and you can select that and go back. And as you can see, my search engine is now set to Yep. So that's it for this video. If you like it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.